Heads up, online hustlers! Do you enjoy drawing? Do you want to work online for money? Or do you want both? Then this video is for you! This time I'll show you how to earn $5 in just 30 minutes. And you can repeat the process to make more money. Anyone can perform this using any devices such as a computer, laptop, or smartphone. There is no cost or investment involved in this at all. You don't have to worry about your current location because this is also offered nationwide. Therefore, if I were you, I would watch the entire video through to the end to ensure that you will correctly implement every step and strategy that will enable you to earn money from the comfort of your own home. In this video, I'll also reveal my secret for making money more quickly than ever. Hey, welcome to MoneyTalk, where we discuss everything about money. And for this video, we are going to talk about how to generate $650 or more for simply drawing lines for free. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and be the first to check out our latest videos. As I mentioned, you have the chance to earn $5 by simply painting and drawing lines on top of images in a little under 30 seconds. For some time now, there has been a hype surrounding this, and many online hustlers have already begun to make more than $100. So I'll be showing you a lot of websites and you can go there whenever you like. Some of you may have heard of this website I'll mention, peopleperhour.com. But I'll be revealing something brand new. Just a quick reminder that you can do this from anywhere in the world. So go to peopleperhour.com, click the search button, select search offers, and you'll be taken to a page where you can type in the keyword background removal and hit the search button to view a variety of services offered by other users. There are many people from various countries offering these services, and you can see them with service fees ranging from $10 to $20. So in this video, I'll show you how to become one of them and profit from this platform. Just a quick background on how they are earning from this. It is because a lot of people don't know what to do in terms of removing background or make modifications with the images, and they hire different freelancers to do it for them. Depending on the preferences of the client, you can see numerous examples of how the background is removed. So if you have the right tool, it's actually quite simple and easy to do that. So make sure to watch all the way to the end because I'll show you the free software you can use to remove backgrounds from photos by drawing lines on top of them. So each time you do this, you'll earn $5, and you don't even need any technical or graphic design knowledge. You can finish it in 30 seconds and accomplish much more. For instance, going back to people per hour, clicking this person right here will take you to a page where you can see the service to assist people in removing the background of the photo. As you can see, they are actually receiving real clients and customers leave reviews rating their work, indicating that right here on People Per Hour, they are actually earning dollars over and over again by simply removing the background of the photo. Depending on how much you want to charge, and as a simple beginner's tip, you should lower your fee to attract more clients. So if you charge $5 and have 30 photos to edit, that comes out to $150. If you get 70 photos, that comes out to $350, all in one sitting. A second website where you can make money by removing background is guru.com. So on this website, you can do a background removal search, which will actually help you locate diverse freelancers who are performing the same task providing background removal services. So both Guru and People Per Hour are able to pay in actual cash each and every day. Additionally, if you want a bigger audience and more clients, you can sign up for both platforms. Now, for the free tool and software, I want you to go to the website clippingmagic.com. It uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence or AI technology to do the background removal for you, and it is completely free. You can just drag an image here, and it makes no difference what device you use. This software will automatically help you to remove the background from this and move on to this transparent background. To upload an image, simply go to this page and click the appropriate button. When the upload is complete, they will show you this web page, and you simply click the green button, which requires you to draw a line over the images you want to keep. As you can see, I'm just going to draw a few straight lines right here on top. It's actually very simple. I'm just going to cover the entire photo with the part of it that I want to keep. And once the green lines have been drawn, I'll just click the red button to connect the red lines to the background I want to remove. So you can actually complete this under a minute because it's so easy. It can be completed very quickly and without cost. You could easily charge $6 from that. The outcome of the altered photo is now visible. So once finished, click the download button to save it on your computer or phone. Then send it to your customers or clients using Guru.com or People Per Hour. You can actually repeat as many times as you want because it is so quick. And that's exactly how people from different nations generate income by merely, removing the background. It's crazy. Now, if you want better software than Clipping Magic, search on remove.bg to help you instantly and for free remove background. As you can see, they can even change the background of the photos into different scenes at the back in just 5 seconds. All it takes is a one click to transform the original image into a transparent background image. You simply need to click the upload button. And I want you to wait a short while for the image to finish uploading. And then it will load and remove the background with just one click. You don't need to add any lines to the photos. It will do the removing for you automatically. You can download it in the quality that you desire. Compared to Clipping Magic, this is much more recommended because it is immediate and requires no drawing work on your part. Now, if you want something simpler to make money, this is suggested for beginners. I want you to check out ClickPay. So ClickPay is an automated software, a WordPress system that pays just by clicking on a website. There's no cap on how much money you can earn with ClickPay. You can get paid as much as $3 repeatedly with no upper limit. Simply by clicking on websites, you can make money. The more times you click, the more money you can make, so check it out. So now that you know all of this, are you ready to edit some photos and remove their backgrounds to earn more? Well, comment down below so that we can get the conversation going. If you absolutely enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. If you want to watch more videos, you can just head on over to our channel to see more from MoneyTalk. See you!